Hey guys, how's it going? So, Microsoft bought out Activision Blizzard. To me, this is fantastic. Why? Because Activision Blizzard makes some of my favorite games. I still play Hearthstone every day. I plan to play Diablo Immortal when it gets launched. And with Microsoft money, they'll be able to market the living daylights out of um, uh, Diablo Immortal and have a lot more players in Diablo Immortal. So we'll see what happens. But I think Diablo Immortal, and then I also think that Diablo Immortal, because of Microsoft, they're going to import that game into PC. They're going to import that game into consoles. They're gonna put Diablo Immortal on every single platform, simply because they can. They don't really need to focus on mobile. They can focus on the entire gaming ecosystem because they're Microsoft. They make money. They make butt tons of money, and they just want to build out the franchises. They just want to make Activision Blizzard, you know, more the franchise is more popular. So, and then the whole metaverse play for Microsoft. I mean, they could do it, but does Microsoft really need to get into the metaverse when they're making when they're one of the biggest companies in the world, valued at what 2 or 3 trillion dollars or something like that, two point something trillion dollars, I think. Pretty sure that's how much they're valued right now. Let's go look. $2.27 trillion. Yeah, so Microsoft doesn't really need to brand the metaverse. So I mean, they could, but I don't know if they will. I just think that this is great because I like Activision Blizzard games, and now Activision Blizzard can make even better games, or more games, or faster games because Microsoft has so much money. They can be putting more money, more developers into developing Blizzard games. Activision, I'm not a big fan of Call of Duty, but Call of Duty games, I don't know. So yeah, big deal, I think. And I also think that Activision Blizzard is a very safe company to buy right now because you're guaranteed money. You're not guaranteed stock. You're guaranteed money because Microsoft's paying all cash for this deal. $69 billion, $68.7 billion, $95 in cash. The stock is currently trading at $82.31. So you're looking at 12, 13 or $14 on top of that. So if you had 1,000,000 shares, once this takeover goes through and you bought it at let's say, I don't know, $82, $83, you're guaranteed like $50 million. But not a lot of people can afford 1,000,000 shares in Activision Blizzard. Only super rich people. So how much would it be 1,000,000 shares? That at $83, $83 million, you're guaranteed to make 14, 7 plus 5, 13, $12, about $12 if you bought it, depending on when you bought it. It's like $12 million for rich people when Microsoft pays them out. So, and it's safe because Activision is valued at $95, at least $95. So it doesn't hurt to put some money in there and just wait till Microsoft buys them out and you make some free money essentially. Unless the price of the stock goes massively up, and then you can just sell out and hope it collapses again and trade it. One of the two scenarios. So I did buy some. I saw this news in the morning. It pulled back, and then I was like, I bought some around $82, and I'm just going to wait it out. If it drops to like $80 or $79, I'm definitely going to be buying more. So I think it's just easy money. I think this Activision Blizzard merger will happen probably in the summertime. So like July, maybe August. The only downside to this deal is, let's say if don't the deal doesn't go through because of the regulators and monopoly rules or whatever, then yeah, I think Activision Blizzard stock would probably crash. But if it does go through, then you're guaranteed free money. That's how I see things. But if you want, I did buy some. I did bring this up to you, but then I sold it. And then now I bought back in because I just think it's easy money. But that's my opinion. We'll see what happens in the coming days. Bitcoin is had a nice little pump. Like I said, big money doesn't want Bitcoin to crash. That's my opinion. Coinbase was down today, 3.49%. Palantir, and there used to be so many people that love this company, and look at this now, $15. The market is red today. I think tomorrow the market, look at that oil pump. Damn, that means the market is probably going to be green tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye. Wow, almost 8 minutes. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla today started the day off really red, had a nice little pump, and then pulled back by the end of the day. I think, then GameStop and AMC is doing terrible right now. AMC down to $18.84, and GameStop is almost at $100. So much for the ape army. They're all running away because the market feels like it's crashing. Anyways, what big? Oh, Vinco Ventures is pumping real hard right now. I don't even know why, but it's pumping really hard. Anyways, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay. I don't care. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.